Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play as Luigi in New Super Mario Bros. DS. To begin your green-clad adventure, simply navigate to the File selection screen. Before you choose a save file, make sure to hold down both the L and R shoulder buttons on your Nintendo DS. While keeping these buttons pressed, select your preferred game file. You will hear Luigi's distinct voice, confirming your successful character switch. It's a straightforward trick to enjoy the game as Mario's younger brother. Once you've selected Luigi, you can embark on the entire single-player journey with him. He brings his own charming personality to the game, complete with unique sound effects and distinct animations for every action. While some believe he jumps higher or handles differently, his core gameplay mechanics are exactly the same as Mario's. This means you'll experience the familiar challenges and triumphs, but with a fresh, green perspective and his signature woohoo. Luigi isn't just for solo play, he's also a fantastic choice for multiplayer action. In the classic Mario vs. Luigi mode, you and a friend can wirelessly compete to collect the most big stars. Additionally, Luigi is available in the game's extensive collection of minigames, allowing up to 4 players to join in the fun. Whether you're racing, puzzling, or battling, Luigi adds his unique flair to every competitive and cooperative session. Choosing Luigi offers a delightful change of pace without altering the core gameplay. His distinct appearance and vocalizations provide a fresh take on the familiar Mushroom Kingdom. From his Fire Flower form to his Mega Mushroom transformation, every power-up looks and sounds unique when Luigi uses it. So, next time you play, give the green plumber a chance and experience New Super Mario Bros. DS through his charming, adventurous eyes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.